In this safety video, we will discuss the standards for fall protection systems and procedures which are intended to prevent employees from falling. Fall protection is required whenever employees are potentially exposed to falls from heights that exceed applicable regulatory thresholds. Guardrails, safety nets, or personal fall arrest systems must be used. A competent person must be assigned to act as the safety monitoring system. Responsibilities are to recognize fall hazards and warn employees if they are unaware of a fall hazard or are acting in an unsafe manner. Be on the same working surface and in visual sight close enough for verbal communication. The ABCs of fall protection is an easy way to remember the basics. An anchor point is a secure point of attachment to a structure. A body harness allows for maximum range of motion while providing support in case of a fall. The connector attaches the body harness to the anchor point. Snap hooks and D-rings must be designed to prevent opening and slipping off the connector. Snap hooks and D-rings cannot directly connect to webbing, rope, wire, or any object that could cause a snap hook to open. Falls are among the most common causes of serious work-related injuries and deaths. Fall protection is required by OSHA in construction at a height of 6 feet, on a scaffold at 10 feet, and erection of steel structures with unprotected edges and sides above 15 feet. The workplace must be set up to prevent employees from falling off overhead platforms, elevated workstations, or holes in the floor and walls. Positioning devices must be rigged such that an employee cannot free fall more than 2 feet. Guardrails must include a top rail and mid-rail with the vertical height of 42 inches to 45 inches from the upper surface of the floor. Hazards must be removed with proper housekeeping to avoid slips and falls. Personal fall arrest systems and components subjected to impact loading must be immediately removed from service until inspected by a competent person to be undamaged and suitable for reuse. Personal fall arrest systems, when stopping a fall, must limit maximum arresting force on an employee to 1,800 pounds when used with a body harness. All safety belts, harnesses, and lanyards purchased on or before February 1, 1997, must be labeled as meeting the requirements including all personal fall arrests, restraints, and devices. Positioning devices must be rigged such that an employee cannot free fall more than 5 feet. Signs need to be posted to warn unauthorized employees to stay out of the controlled access zone. D-rings and snap hooks must have a minimum tensile strength of 5,000 pounds and proof tested to a minimum tensile load of 3,600 pounds without cracking, breaking or taking permanent deformation. Only locking-type snap hooks can be used. Anchorages used for attachment of personal fall arrest equipment must be independent of any platforms and capable of supporting at least 5,000 pounds per employee attachment. Lanyards and vertical lifelines must have a minimum breaking strength of 5,000 pounds. Ropes and straps, lifelines, and strength components of belts and harnesses must be made from synthetic fibers. Equipment and services for prompt rescue of fallen workers, including self-rescue, must be available before elevated work begins. Fall protection guidelines for workers. Understand your fall protection plan, attend training, and use PPE, personal protective equipment, appropriately and as required. Always inspect equipment before each use. Safe ladder use. Never carry tools while climbing a ladder. Use a tool belt or pulley system to carry tools. Maintain proper balance while climbing a ladder. Thanks for watching another CMS safety video. Please like and subscribe for updates.